A fresh storm has erupted in Zimbabwe after revelations that luxury vehicles recently handed out to military generals and senior ZANU-PF officials and defeated with the surveillance technology, sparking alarm within the ruling elite. Zarabina Bashukobdanyo Gwachinza how Mnangagwa accused army generals tracking devices on new vehicles to military generals and ZANU-PF chiefs. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Mnozirimo Bdanyo Komchenze. According to leaked internal correspondence circulating among army personnel, some of the vehicles distributed this week are allegedly geologged and equipped with advanced tracking devices. The systems are believed to include GPS monitoring as well as miniature black boxes capable of recording audio, video, and even phone calls inside the vehicles. If you think you were simply given a car, think again. One senior security source told this publication on condition of anonymity. These are not gifts, they are tools of control. Every movement, every conversation can be tracked. The vehicle handouts come at a time of deepening fissures within ZANU-PF. The President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga increasingly at odds over succession. Analysts say the alleged surveillance technology reflects mounting paranoia in Mnangagwa's camp, fearful of potential plots by rival factions in the army and the ruling party. Mnangagwa is trying to buy loyalty with cars, while at the same time keeping tabs on his own generals. Political analyst Takura Mapuranga explained, it's both carrot and stick, reward and surveillance. On social media, a leaked warning directed at military officers read, to all army personnel who received vehicles yesterday, some of the vehicles are geologged. They are tracking devices. They have mini black boxes to record audio and video calls. Be warned. Sources confirmed that senior ZANU-PF party chiefs, provincial leaders, and Politburo members also received the new top-of-the-range vehicles, described officially as logistical support. But critics say the handouts are nothing more than a patronage scheme to silence dissent and secure loyalty ahead of the inevitable leadership battle. Thomas Kwarubuda Pangwa ine Arias Kwankwa Kunze Iowa. These people are warning because yes, you are being given these gifts, but change your eye. Tunze mafunguro enyu motulipa msoro pichitu kwa shipenda comment section yetu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.